Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. On this shoot I used my Nikon D750 camera with three different lenses, the 35mm, the 50mm and also the 105mm for a few close-ups. As a location I picked this beautiful building right in the city center. Because it was also directly on a crossing street, there were a lot of cars driving by interrupting our shoot every couple of minutes. But the light in the street is also very beautiful, so it was most definitely totally worth it. We started off with some wider angled shots using the 35mm to get a little more of the building into the photos. The all-black outfit was a great contrast to the super white and bright background. Miso, the model, is a dancer as well, so her posing is fluent and it's more like one big motion as opposed to pose after pose, which I really like. I played around with different types of backlight and we both already loved the photos so much straight out of camera. Next up were some simple portraits using the 50mm lens. I really like the bright wall and the shadow as a contrast here. You can see again how Miso poses, she uses her whole body to move around even for close-up portraits. Miso also brought a whole suitcase with her with all the outfits, because we ended up doing 5 looks overall. For our second look, we went into the doorway of the building across the street. It had this beautiful blue railing and the light in there was honestly just bomb. The silver dress made it look very elegant, which I think complements the location very well. The boots kept the look cool too, so it was the perfect balance. As for settings, I used a little bit of a higher ISO of around 400 or 600 in there to keep the images bright. I don't like to go below 125 for shutter speed to keep my images sharp at all times. These photos again looked already really amazing in camera. For the third look, we went back into the street but with a different outfit and a different building as a backdrop. Lots of cars, walking people and bikes interrupted us again, but we still got a lot of really good photos. And for the last look, we walked to the spot with a similar light setup as the first location. The building had really bright walls and the light was coming from behind again. I used my 105mm lens here to get some closer portraits and to also blur out the background even more. I wanted the background to be super blurry to keep these portraits really simple and to get the eyes to focus on the model only, and that worked out really exactly as I wanted it to. And that's it, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel to not miss any of my future uploads. Bye!